Hi everyone, I'm Chelsea from Twinkl, and today I'm going to share with you a terrific graffiti-inspired art activity to try with your children, and also show you how Twinkl's graffiti art resources can elevate your art lessons. Let's go! Twinkl has a range of PowerPoints filled with facts about street art, graffiti, and famous artists within this style. The PowerPoints include information, inspiring images, and discussion prompts. There are also packs of detailed photographs of the artist's work, which could be printed for display or for your children to take a closer look at these inspiring images. Now that your learners are inspired and have seen some key anchor images to keep their artwork in the correct style, they can start to create some graffiti art of their own. In the Twinkl PowerPoints, they will have learnt about the tags that graffiti artists often put on their artwork to show who has drawn it. In this activity, they're going to make their own graffiti name tag. This would be a great transition activity and would create a Meet Your New Class display. Here are the materials you will need. Some coloured pencils or felt tip pens, plain paper and a drawing pencil, newspaper clippings or other lettering, or if you don't have these, use some coloured paper or card. An optional but helpful addition is a colour wheel. I printed mine from the Twinkl website. Watch me as I create my own graffiti tag step by step. In this first step, learners will need a bit of practice and trial and error time as they turn their name into a graffiti style tag. The design starts with children lightly writing their names in pencil with the letters unjoined and spaced out. They then use this as a guide while they experiment with different graffiti-inspired fonts. After they've finished the letters, the next layer is a border which edges the outline of the letters they have created. Then, to make their design really stand out, we add a further border of shapes. Rather than having the pressure of only one design, let children experiment by folding their paper into quarters and trying out 4 different ideas. They could try different font styles and different shape borders to see what looks effective. At the end, ask them to annotate their designs, choosing their favourite parts of each to create their final graffiti name tag. Next, learners use their colour wheel to choose sets of analogous colours. They use these colours, found next to each other on the colour wheel, as they blend together easily. Choose a different set of analogous colours for each letter and blend together. Now, learners spend some time splitting their shape border into smaller segments, before colouring them in with pairs of complementary colours. Complementary colours are opposites on the colour wheel. Finally, learners cut out their design and glue it to layers of newspaper clippings and coloured card or paper. Make sure to outline each layer with a thick black marker, and they can even add doodles to really make their graffiti signature unique. Combine their wonderful pieces of art with Twinkl's lettering, display banners and borders to create a fantastic classroom display. We even have graffiti wrapping paper, placemats and party hats for a real welcome to a new class celebration. Thank you for watching, and I hope your children enjoy creating graffiti-inspired name tags that they can feel proud of. See you next time. Bye!